Hi, I'm Jake Brunjack and I'll be your inspector tomorrow. We encourage that our customers come to the entire inspection, but I realize in these crazy times you're a very busy person, so we only ask if you come to the last hour. If that doesn't work, no big deal. I'll get with you, text message, email, phone call, Zoom, whatever works best for you so that we can go over what I've found. Rest assured, you will receive your report tomorrow as well. Look, our company thrives on 5-star reviews and referrals. So let me tell you a little bit about myself so we can get to know each other. I'm from Leadville, Colorado, born and raised way up in the mountains. Lived in Alaska for a while, Louisiana for a couple of years. Been in Chattanooga about 6 years. Love it here. I'm also a specialist in mold testing, radon testing, and a handful of other services. If you have any questions about these services, just respond to this text message and we'd be more than happy to help you. Bye. Love you. See you tomorrow.